Here's the custom truck Death Skull at Unique Specialty and Classics. This is a 1982 Chevy Silverado K10 regular cab short box. 454 underneath the hood. Does have a Edelbrock street tunnel ram intake, so you have the intake coming out of the hood. That is paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and look at this grill guard. Front bumper, chrome, appears nice shape. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this truck from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out, check out the bed, interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can always call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, a lot of custom pinstriping up and down the side of this truck. Look around, the wheel wells appears to be solid. Also want to point out some things in the glass here. A little spider cobweb look. This is etched into the glass, FYI. Smoked or tinted windows. I'm going to show you another custom touch on this truck here in a second. Chrome rocker overlays. Roll bar back here, tonneau cover. Look at this. Custom removable rear window and roof package. And you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Almost like enjoying a little convertible action in the summer in Death Skull here. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. As you can see, nice condition, a couple tow hooks down below, receiver for a tow package, custom Chevy logo embroidered in that soft tonneau cover, and you can see the bed and the undersides in the still pictures, again at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. Matching pinstriping up and down the driver's side. Red inlay on the wheels, chrome outer rings. Also has the etching on the driver's window, as well as you can see on the mirrors. A little more of that Death Skull theme going on. All right, let's open it up. Take a look at this interior. Black with red highlights. There are some miscellaneous manuals and receipts that will go along with the sale of this truck. Custom steering wheel, chain link. Look at this, it's a Cobra. 40 channel, Citizen band, 2-way, mobile radio. Custom skull rearview mirror frame. Bench seat up here for 3. With fold down armrest. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. We'll check out that big block underneath the hood. Starts easily. A little aftermarket tack up on the steering column. That is in working order. Aftermarket stereo. It was originally an AC truck. AC is no longer installed on it, but power steering, power brakes. Underneath the dash mat. It actually doesn't look like it's all cracked up like you typically expect to see underneath there. And of course, the custom embroidered Death Skull dash mat. We are neutral. Of course, Silverado package, power windows, power locks. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Dual exhaust, of course. You can see one exiting on the passenger side. There's also one over there on the driver's side, passenger side. Flip flop those. And you'll be able to see those in still pictures from the underside. Take a look, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. All right, let me pause this a second. I'll pop the hood, check out the engine bay, and we'll wrap this video.
Hey, Did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There it is, the power plant to death stall. 2 form rails. There's that Edelbrock street tunnel ram. Intake, headers, power steering, power brakes, MSD ignition. Little chrome dress up. There you go. 1982 Chevrolet Silverado K10 4x4. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there, and remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.